The RYOBI 18-bolt framing nailers are powerful, compact, and extremely durable.
That's what's in my truck. It's what I use. My choice of tools.
The RYOBI framing nailer has been essential to my line of work. In new home construction, we move very rapidly. And in order to use a tool, you simply grab it out of the truck, you plug the battery in, and it's ready to go.
Number one, there's no air hoses, no loud air compressors in the background. We don't have to holler over an air compressor and stuff like that. You're not dragging air hoses around and things. So the convenience of that's great.
Right out of the box, it was extremely powerful. I've completely eliminated the hammer from my tool belt. I have no need to set nails in any LVLs or any hard lumber. You just simply set the drive adjustment that you want, and it drives it right through and sinks it as deep as you need it to.
LVL is one of the denser materials we use on the job. The RYOBI seems to always sink the head. It's got power to spare. It just makes your job faster, more complete.
The other nailers I've used in the past have a certain ramp up time, where with this nailer, it's immediately ready to go as soon as you put the battery in. But whenever you switch it over to the rapid fire mode, you can still sink nails just as deep as you can through the single fire mode, so you're not losing any quality.
Well, time's money in the construction industry because most people bid jobs by the square foot or by the job. Okay, and so whether it takes 4 hours or 6 hours or 8 hours. Okay, so it's more profit in our pocket if we can get the job done in 2 hours. So we benefit by having better equipment.
I love the compatibility that this nailer has with all other ONE+ systems. So whenever I'm on the job and I'm trying to finish things up, whether it's from my miter saw that I need to use, my circular saw, or my nailer, it's easy to swap out the batteries and utilize it as needed.
The little things make the difference for me, especially when the equipment is as good, as efficient as the RYOBI is, versus the price and the accessibility. I mean, there's Home Depot everywhere. There's many other brands out there, but I choose RYOBI.